Hi, I'm Johanna with Campbell County Public Library, and I'm videoing a DIY how to make your own beeswax food wrap, and it's our grab and go craft from March. Okay, another way that you can do this if you don't want to do it in the oven is to use your iron, your clothes iron with no humidity, no steam. I've got a towel just kind of laid down underneath the two pieces of parchment paper. You can see I spread my mixture out a little bit as much as I could, and then cover it with the parchment paper and just kind of melt it with the iron. It should go pretty quickly, and you want to make sure you saturate all of your cotton cloth. And this method's worked out pretty well, and I've got pretty even coating, and then again you're going to want to take it off and let it dry and cure for a while. And this pine resin will make everything sticky, so be careful when you clean up. And I'm going to have to touch up my iron after I turn it off. Like this one is cured, and you can see it's a little sticky. It will fold up in on itself to do sandwich wrapping. So I hope you enjoy it.